Hello everyone, I'm going to talk to you about how to write your literature review, which is the first step in putting together your argument essay. The literature review is not difficult to write, but it does require you to find source material for your essay. Okay, so here's how it works. In the lit review, you will have a short introduction paragraph in which you tell me a couple of things. The first thing that you're going to tell me is, what is your question? And everyone has to have a yes or no question to start this off. Okay, if you don't have a yes or no question, you're not going to be able to write your thesis statement. In my example, I've got, should the International Olympic Committee pay the athletes who compete in the games? Notice I am allowing you to use first person. This is a very informal piece of writing, so first person I is acceptable. Please still continue to avoid use of the word you and your. Okay, after you get done telling me what your question is, take, I don't know, 3, 4, maybe 5 sentences explaining to me why you chose this question. And then tell me how many sources you have found so far. Okay. One of your sources for the lit review has to be one of your opposition sources. You can have as many as you want, but you have to have at least one opposition source. You can have as many pro sources as you want, but you have to have at least 2. Then begin. State your first source. Notice in the MLA citation style, not indented. Put the source citation here, then indent, and then tell me what it is about this source that you like and how you plan to use it. In this explanation, the student author says, this is my opposition source, and here's what the author includes in this source. Then go to your next source. And then once again, explain why you chose this article and how you plan to use it. And then come down to your last source, paste it here, and explain how you want to use it. Notice in this example, I've got 3 different types of sources. This first one was an online article. The second one is a journal article that the author got from the source. That he got from this database, EBSCOhost. And then lastly, this last source is a book that the student got from eBook Central. In every case, the student tells what he likes about the source and how he plans to use it. It's as simple as that. Final paragraph. Tell me where you are in this process. Are you pleased with what you've done so far? Are you able to find your sources? Do you like your question? Have you found source material on the opposition side of the question, etc.? Just tell me where you are. This happens to be 5 paragraphs long, but it is not a 5-paragraph essay. You'll notice that there's no outline that goes with this. There are no transitions, etc. It simply happens to be 5 paragraphs long. Okay. The reason why I'm doing this, the reason why I'm requiring this, is because I'm forcing you to decide on a question, and I am forcing you to decide on source material. Okay? That's the only reason why we're doing this. I got to get you guys started on this. Any questions? Let me know.